Hello friends, so today I will show you how to make Rakhi with this wool. So for this I am taking today the blue color wool. So I need to make 50 rounds with my 3 fingers. Just keep it like this and just keep the wool like this and just make 50 rounds with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. So around 50 I made. So just put it like this then, and can now cut it from here and cut more thread to tie a knot. How to tie a knot is just keep this in the middle of this thing and just tie from the middle. Let's do this. And tie a knot again. Just hold it and make another knot here. And one more knot, then we are done with this thing. So 3 knots all together. And now we'll cut with scissors this part. Just hold the whole thing with the scissors and just cut like this. And from here also just do the same thing. Just take the whole thing with the scissors and just cut. And cut this extra part also, the knot thread, just cut it. Now you can just open it, spread it like this nicely to make it a circle, make it a round. And now I have this, to make it a proper round, I have cut this round. So I will just put on top of this and just cut the extra lines that I don't need here to make it a clean round, clean circle. First with your fingers you can do like this, because if can you see this is left, so I can just cut it now. So now I will know that if anything is left I can cut it or just finish it. And I can check from here also. Now it's fine. So just open all the lines nicely. Yeah, this is also left. Just turn to the next side and now I can trim it. So just start to cut it. Cutting is very important here because the Rakhi will look nice if the cutting is proper. So take your time and do it nicely. It's okay. So just it's working. And some part here is left, so I will just trim it also. So let's look here. So it's looking nice and proper. It's a proper circle now, proper round shape. So this is done, as you can see. So I have this with me now for tying, and I have already put a knot here. So I will show you how to put a knot at the second point. So just take with your hands like this and take this part inside it and just pull it like this, and it's done. And you can cut the extra part, like you can just match it, and if it's long or short you can just match it and just cut it to make it even, to look nice and proper. So now we need to fix the base of it. So for this, for the base I have this thing, this cardboard paper. You just put glue here and you can keep this like this in the middle of this. And you can just do like this so that it will get fixed into it. And to cover this, I have this paper, white colored one. So just put glue here, and little bit glue is fine. So just put glue and cover it up. This is the back of this Rakhi. and just push and it will be stick. And for the front, what we'll do is, I have this thing to decorate it, so I'll just put some glue over here. This is the transparent glue one. You can use any glue that you have. So just take this, put the glue and just stick it. And just press it and it will get stick. And the Rakhi is made and it's ready. So this is done, and now you can cut a little bit more from here and it's done. Like, you can just join them from the knot part and just cut the extras that we don't need here because it's too long, and just put it aside, and this is done. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos, smash the like button. Please comment also, and please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics, and to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadiq's World. Bye bye.